Snapchat has added a new feature to their app that allows users to add music to their snaps. In this video I'll be showing you how to use Snapchat Music. Now let's get started. To begin, open Snapchat and go to your camera. To select a song to use for your snap, tap the music icon in the top right corner. Now scroll through the featured sounds to find one you want to use. Tap the play button beside a song name to listen to a preview of it. Tap the name of the sound you want to use. You'll then see a sound wave slider appear towards the bottom of your screen. Slide this bar sideways to adjust which part of the song you want to use. Tap the play button beside it to hear a preview of your selected section. When you're ready, go ahead and snap a photo or video. Similar to how music works on Instagram stories, a sticker will appear on your snap showing the song information. You can place this sticker wherever you'd like on your snap. If you remove this sticker, the sound will be removed with it. When you're done adding filters, stickers, and text to your snap, go ahead and send it to a friend, or post it in your story. That's all it takes to use Snapchat Music. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel.